Bell-Boeing CV-22B Osprey. This aircraft hails from the 7th Special Operations Squadron, part of the 352nd Special Operations Wing, stationed at RAF Fairford in Suffolk. The concept behind the tilt rotor is quite simple. It intends to bring together the flexibility of the helicopter, particularly in operating into enclosed environments, with something of the speed of a conventional fixed-wing aircraft. Also longer range than the helicopter. The Osprey is able to transport 24 combat troops, around 20,000 pounds of internal cargo, or up to 15,000 pounds underslung, and it's air-to-air refuelling capable. Here, of course, we see it in conventional aircraft mode. So gradually you can see the transition taking place as the rotors tilt upwards. And this allows the Osprey to make, if it so desires, a short conventional landing, or of course to come completely to the hover. The aircraft first flew in March 1989. The US Marine Corps, with the MV-22B model, was the first to bring it into service in March 2000 for training, and then the declaration from into the cells were about 18 degrees for that technical takeoff. We expect now to see the Osprey make more so-called penetration descent, a normal approach to a roll-on landing around the runway centre point when it next comes in. Of course, one high-profile use of the Osprey is with the US Marine Corps as a presidential transport helicopter, so-called COD carrier on-board delivery platform to replace the aging Grumman C2 Greyhound. And there are further developments being studied. The manufacturer is looking at a gunship version, and it's tested rocket and missile armament on the Osprey. And the US Marine Corps, with its examples, are going to gain an air-to-air refueling capability that the Air Force Special Operations version already has. In for another fast pass. In US Air Force service, the CV-22B performs long-range missions supporting the forces of US Special Operations Command. It infiltrates those special forces, it resupplies them while they're in position, and then it exfiltrates them afterwards. The site has a combat radius of some 500 nautical miles with a single internal fuel tank. And of course, air-to-air refuel from Lockheed Martin MC-130 Hercules to give a range of more than 2,000 nautical miles and up to 5 hours endurance. Full crew. Machine gun can be carried there, and the Osprey can also mount the points and the fast rotating equipment required for rapid deployment. The deal was done to supply 5 B-22s to the Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force. They'll be delivered by June of 2018, Japan becoming the first export customer for the Osprey. The discussions very much ongoing with other nations. You can understand why, given the Osprey's impressive operational combat record. It was in December 2009 that the US Marine Corps brought the type into operational action for the first time when Marines and troops were inserted into a hostile zone in Helmand province in Afghanistan by MV-22B Ospreys. They carried out deployments such as earthquake relief in Haiti, Libya in 2011 was another theatre in which they were involved. It's in Libya that Marine Corps Ospreys carried out a rescue of a downed US Air Force F-15E Strike Eagle crewman.